Hello guys, welcome to Computer Vision course. Today we are going to learn about computer vision's fundamental and the introduction to it. And in upcoming lecture we are going to follow this agenda where we are going to go through 6 modules. The very first module will talk about the task, the difference between image processing and computer vision and its relationship with artificial intelligence. It's going to talk about different type of computer vision tasks in just definition format, like object classification, identification, verification, etc. And then in upcoming future modules we are going to talk it in depth, also looking at their CNN aspects and going to look at it in detail. So the modules which we are going to uh, study in this course are computer vision fundamentals, feature representation, object recognition, object detection, object segmentation, and application of computer vision. We have in the last module we are going to look at some applications of it, and also we are going to see one project and how we can implement one project in computer vision. Uh, so yeah, go let's go and see the very first chapter of our computer vision course. So first we are going to look at the fundamentals, the introduction to the computer vision fundamentals. So let's understand what is computer vision. We already know computer vision is nothing but a subfield of artificial intelligence and computer vision, which is incorporated nowadays in a lot of technologies such as digital photography, satellite image processing, to smart attendance systems, to medical imaging, such as medical image analysis, such as skull fracture detection, heart disease detection, to autonomous vehicle. So all this is just possible because of some artificial intelligence able to understand our images on basis of the features, the patterns which human can miss. So this is the whole idea of computer vision, and this is achieved through various processes like pixel transformation, color correctness, segmentation of the image, and a lot of other tasks are involved. Some of the very notable examples of computer vision are facial recognition, where we are able to identify individual through visual analysis. This is very useful in attendance marking systems, either emotion analysis, and different type of computer vision application. We also have self-driving cars to navigate and identify the anomalies on the roads, the obstacles, etc. We have the robotic automation, where we enable the robot to see through the artificial eyes, and we have medical anomaly detection systems, where we are developing a lot of innovations related to disease and how we can spot them with the help of computer imaging, and how we can solve them and do a preliminary analysis on all type of diseases such as fractures, and we can say cancers and all of them. Then we have agricultural monitoring, which is for seeing whether the condition of the crops are good or not, whether the weather condition is perfect or not, using those visual data. So these are just few examples, and we are going to look at one project and also a lot of examples in the end of the video, in the end of this course, of course. So let's understand what is computer vision and why it is required. First of all, the computer vision is subfield of uh, artificial intelligence. It is basically a part where the computer can analyze and see the image and identify what type of image it is, and it can be able to locate certain objects, which is very humane and a very human instinct. Basically the part of human is to identify things, able to act upon certain cues. So the biggest portion of human brain is dedicated to compute is dedicated to vision, and somehow it is not the case with computer. So we have to train it in such a way that computer can be able to see the things and understand and identify what type of thing it is. So yeah, this is the whole gist of computer vision and why computer vision is required in today's modern world. So before going forward, we need to understand certain terminologies in order to be better at this course. So the very first term is deep learning. So deep learning is a field of machine learning where we are going to make autonomous systems which can enact a human brain tendency like neurons and stuff. So it is somewhat replica of a human brain, which is artificial neural network, and it is inspired by human brain indeed. And we are going to train it on a large amount of data sets, and then we are going to able to identify what kind of image it is and not. So this concept is called as deep learning. Another concept is pixel extraction. It is a pre-processing task where we basically do the uh, line filtering, masking of the image in order to identify and extract certain patterns and pixels from the image. And this is done via certain open source computer vision packages such as OpenCV and CV2. And we are going to use them. We are going to look at it, what how we can implement those and do the computer vision projects. So certain tasks are also there such as object detection, object recognition, object classification, object segmentation. So these four are the main tasks of computer vision also, in order to identify certain objects from the image. So the uh, representation of computer vision can be understood with the help of human way of looking at an image. When we see an image, we basically tend to think of it as cat, a dog, with the help of our brain, and then we able to spell it or write it on a paper. The similar way, we have a sensing device, a camera sensor connected to the computer or the machine, where our model is trained. So the model, we have a lot of data about cat, so it can be able to identify what type of object it is, and once the probability is matched, so it will give an output like cat or whatever it is. So that brings us to the conclusion of this video. So let's understand what we have understood from this introduction. So first of all, it is all about making decision, it is all about computer making decision on what the image is all about with the help of artificial intelligence, certain pre-processing techniques. So the whole process involves basic tasks such as image acquiring, image acquisition, screening, analyzing those images, identifying, classifying, and extracting information from them. So this is a very broad field which is implemented all over the machine learning domain for achieving various tasks. Let be computer computer vision in agriculture or in autonomous car. It's a very broad field, and we are going to discuss about it more in our further videos. And thank you very much for watching this video till end. Please make sure to like it, subscribe it, and I hope you to catch you in the next video. Thank you.